Good evening. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Today I'm in Denver. I came to visit my son, who is a student in college, but right now he is going to work. So I want to cook dinner, and I'll start by making baby pork ribs. So let's cook it together. You're welcome. So here is the baby ribs, baby pork ribs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove from the package. Using the other hand to video, so you'll forgive me this. Yes, when it is open, I cut both sides. First of all, before I cut, I want to put the temperature to the oven temperature to, I'm going to bake. The temperature is at 375. Then I start to preheat as I open the package. So remember, I'm the one videoing and cutting. So just hope you'll be able to see everything. Okay. And this is the baking tray I'm going to use. I have already covered with foil paper. It seems to be small and the ribs are a bit longer, so I'm going to reduce the ribs. So I have cut into two, a big one, and I'm supposed to place on the baking tray. And cover with another foil paper. So I've covered with a foil paper, and I'm waiting for the oven to be ready. It's preheating. When it is ready at 375, it will ring a bell. Then I can put in the pork. So the oven is ready. It's at 375. So I'm going to put the ribs in the oven, putting it in the oven, and I'm going to leave it for 20 to 25 minutes, then it will be ready. Yeah, it's now 10 or 4 plus 25, it will be at 26. So it's time to remove the pork ribs from the oven. So I'll start by putting off the wear gloves now. Put off the oven, then remove the glove. Let's see. It's ready. It's ready, and we can chop into ribs, manageable pieces. Yeah, because you can see there are many ribs. You can cut into individual ribs, and it's ready to eat. Pork ribs can be eaten with starch. The accompaniment is mostly starch. It can be rice, it can be tortilla, or there should be a vegetable like a salad, cooked vegetables. In my country, the best starch is ugali, which is made from corn flour, and a salad like kachumbari. Kachumbari is a salad made from onions, tomatoes, parsley, and pepper, hot pepper. So thank you for being with me while baking or cooking the ribs. I'll prepare the ugali later on, and the vegetables also. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Comment, share, like, and let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.